Alright, back again. Okay, so that's what that looks cleaned up. So we're not trying to remove any material, we just want to knock off high spots. And we didn't really take off anything to really measure. Still looks about the same. If we're lucky, this will go right through now. And it's still tight. Right where you use it, it works freely. That's all that matters. If we're over here, it binds up on this side. This side over here, it's free. We lucked out. Well, hopefully it'll be good when we put it in there. Now how much clearance we got now? We got that much clearance now. We ain't much better than what it was before. Okay. So last thing to deal with this thing is these holes. We got to make sure this plate's flat. It looks like it's fairly flat. So if we take our straight edge and run across, and you can see how flat it really is. Doesn't look very flat now, does it? So we'll go play with this a little bit. So we have a playing tool right here, and I'm going to need a piece of sandpaper so we can sand on this a little bit on a flat surface. Got a drill press table, got sanding disc tables, and we got the bandsaw table over there. The bandsaw is probably the flattest thing in the building. We'll see. Okay, I gotta find me some paper. We'll be back. Alright, we're back again. Okay, so we got our sandpaper, got our flat table, got our carbonator. Go like that, and see how flat it really is. So if you put some shim stock under there, and if it's way out of whack, you gotta do something about it. So, go look for something to use for shim stock. Okay, this is 1.5. We're way loose there. Just no matter how loose we are right here in the middle. So it's buckled like this. Very common. So you put together, you got 3 thou. That's about what it is there, and it's loose right here. So it's more warped on this side than the other side. This side is like that. Tight there, loose here. And even this way it goes underneath that. So that means this one's the highest one. So what you do is you come over here to a nice hard surface. This is a nice hard surface. Clean the crap off the table. You tap on it a little bit. You bend it back. If you start grinding these flat, there's not much material here, and you get so thin it doesn't do anything. So you can beat it back flat, pretty close, and then deal with it. Now the problem with you're beating on that, we're changing our bushing, so we might have affected that. That does happen. I should probably check this beforehand. Okay, now we come back and check it again. Good there. A bit low there. We're high on this one. Loose on that side. All low through here. This side's low. Means that side's high. So this one's a high one again over here. That's high over here. So both the lips are high. So it's low in the middle. It's high right here in the middle. These are low. Okay, so check this again. A little better, but not much. This side's pretty good over here. Yeah, this side we're dragging all the way across. This side's good. So this is our problem side over here. This is high through here a little bit. Now here's a nice, fairly flat, smooth surface, so you can hit where you want to hit. Okay, I think we're close enough. Do a little sanding. See what we get. Do not sand all at one angle. So you're seeing the high spots. It's high right here, high on each corner, a little high. So we work it in from there now. And most of the high spots right where the thread is, if you notice. Keep it flat as you can. Now this paper has a little bit of gummy on the back to make it sticky. This is a 3M Pro Grade, which I don't know if they make anymore. So I kind of hold it. So you can see how it's kind of getting worked in a little bit there. Now once you have a nice round surface all the way around here, that's really all you need. The gasket will take up the difference. So I think we got plenty of flatness there. That's what we need. Plenty adequate. Now I gotta see if we screwed everything up by beating on it. Should have done this part first, but oh well. Sometimes you always think what you're doing. Okay, I can get all the important stuff over here. Let's go back over here. Keep our in here. And we have made some changes. Yeah, it's a little bit different. It's a little bit tighter right there. It wasn't tight there before, now it is. So we did move it slightly. Okay, so I'm going to go back and give it a light hone again right there. And we're almost vertical, but not quite. So, alright, we'll clean it up, we'll be back.